What's going on, gamers? Today we'll be going over how to join a Minecraft server on PC. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell in order to stay updated on all of our Minecraft videos. Minecraft is one of the most enjoyable and fun games on the planet. With its infinite expanding open world and hands-off approach to letting the player learn the world, it's bound to give anyone a fun time. But there is one better thing than playing Minecraft, and that is playing Minecraft with friends. For Minecraft Java Edition, the player has two main ways to play with friends, and that is realms and servers. Today's guide will be going over how to join servers on PC. Joining a server is a fairly simple thing, but it can be a little bit difficult if you've never done it before. First, you'll need to search up the server you're trying to connect to. Today we'll be using the Apex public server, and your IP address should look something like this. Be sure to write it down and go ahead and open up your game of Minecraft. From there, you're going to need to click the multiplayer button, and from here you have two options. The first is you can go ahead and click on the direct connection option, and all you're going to do is type in that same IP that you just found, and then once you've typed it all out, you're going to click Join Server. The other option is essentially the same thing, and that is called Add Server, and this one is different because you get to save this in case you're going to play on this server a lot. So go ahead and type in the server name, and I'll type in public Apex server, since that's what we're connecting to, and then put in that same server IP in the server address slot, and then all you're going to need to do is click Done once you're done with that. Now you can see it's in your Play Multiplayer tab section, and all you'll need to do is click on the play button, and once it's all loaded up, you'll be joined into the public Apex server, or whatever server you are choosing to use. Now I'll go over some common issues. The first one is outdated server. If your server says this, then that means you're playing on a version of Minecraft that is no longer supported by that server. For example, Hypixel only runs on 1.8 through 1.16 now, so if you work on 1.7, then it's not going to work. The next issue that we'll be taking a look at is a weird error issue. If you get a message that looks like a bunch of gibberish, it most likely means that you typed the server IP incorrectly. All you'll need to do is double check that you've written down the proper IP and type it in again, and you'll be good to go. The next one is server is still starting. This is not really an issue on your side. It's most likely that the server needs to restart or is in the process of restarting. Well, that'll pretty much do it. Joining Minecraft servers has never really been too complicated, but compared to the accessibility of the modern quick play formula, it can feel a little alien. Besides the few issues that may be out of your hands, this is a pretty easy guide to follow. So with that being said, that will do it for this video. And as always, I hope that you have lots of fun.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more great content like this, then subscribe or click these videos. Until next time, gamers.